Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well. Myself, Sunil Kumar Jaiswal, solution specialist for manufacturing at Capricorn Technologies Private Limited, and I would like to welcome you all to today Tech Tuesday video. Before going into session, allow me to introduce our organization. Capricorn is India's leading design and construction management technology solution provider for manufacturing, architecture, engineering, and construction. So we are one of the Autodesk largest platinum partner and an authorized training center. We have more than 300 decades team member are and Capricorn serves over 20,000 clients in the AEC and manufacturing and other industries. So Capricorn has contributed significantly to the country adoption of computer-aided design for more than 3 decades. We offer the best solutions, approaches, and practices to increase your productivity and lower project risk. So we are delighted to inform you that we have a global footprint to serve you with best our abilities. Capricorn Technology is now a part of Argans Group. So today I would like to cover two most important command uh, from Inventor software, which name is Extrude. And what is extrude command? Extrude command is nothing. It's a create a 3D solid from an object that includes an area or 3D surfaces from an object with open ends. Finds object can be extruded orthogonally from the plane of the source object in a specified direction or along a selected path. And revolve command is also most important command uh, for any 3D designing. So what is revolve command? Revolve command is just to create a 3D solid or surface by sweeping an object around an axis. Open profile creates surfaces and closed profile can create either a solid or surfaces. The mode option control is a solid or surface is created. So let's move into the inventor screen and we will see how to perform extrude and revolve command. As we can see that this is my Inventor Professional 2024 work working space, and there is a command called extrude command. So first of all, performing extrude command, we have to create a 2D sketch. So just I am creating a any 2D close profile like this. And just finish. Hit on finish sketch button and go to the extrude command, select extrude command and select 2D sketch profile, and it will automatically extrude it by 10 mm. If we want to change this dimension, then what we have to do, just type here distance A. Suppose just I am typing 25 mm. So we can see here default option is one direction. If we want to flip, then select flip. So direction will change, and this option is symmetry. Select symmetry, then thickness will be added both direction symmetrically. We can see. And last option is asymmetric. Now, what is asymmetric? We can put the dimension both the direction different. Like distance A we can do, we can put like 35 and distance B is like 50. So you can see it will automatically generated a solid model. And here once advanced property is given, taper A and taper B. Also we can use a taper A. Suppose I am giving a taper angle is 10 degree, then 10 degree is very large. So just I am giving only 2 degrees. So you can see this material will added also a 35 distance and 2 degree angle, you can see. And taper B, if we want to change the angle is 5, then we can see 3 degrees. Then you can see this material also added in 3 degree. 1 degree we can see, because distance will after 3 degree distance will reduce, because 3 degree is not applicable in to distance 50, because if we change the angle, then distance will not apply for 50 length. So if we apply 1 degree, then it will apply for 50 length through all 1 degree, it will change. So you can see this is our basic extrude command. Next is we have option plane, offset from plane. If we want to create a new plane, then select this face. And here, just I am creating a circle. And extrude. Direction. Okay. So you can see here option is join. So if we select join option, then it will create a solid cylinder. You can see. If we want to edit, then go to edit feature. And if we select cut option, then what happened? It will create a through hole. You can see. Also, third option is intersect. Intersect is both component, which part is common part. It will only keep common part and remaining part will be removed. If we select intersect, you can see like this. And next is added feature and new solid. If we select new solid, then this cylinder is as a new solid part. You can select both separately. So just go for next command, revolve command. So for revolve command, just I'm creating a 2D sketch. Suppose I'm creating a pot 3 revolve command. So just I'm creating a front half section for pot. So front half section just I am creating and create a axis. So we have to select center line. Just click finish sketch and select revolve command. So it will automatically material added into the 0 to 360 degree. And you can see hole will be created because I am just creating an axis away from two distance. So it will automatically generate a hole. So this is our revolve command. So both are base of the any 3D product. So for more videos and update, to subscribe our channel Capricorn Technologies Private Limited and like and comment if you like the Tech Tuesday video. So we would be delighted to hear from you. Please reach out to us for any suggestion, query or topic you would want to discuss. See you next week. Take care. Bye bye.